If you don't understand the Linux file system, you will get lost in Linux while using. Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will break down the Linux file system in the simplest way as possible. In Windows, you have seen like C drive and D drive, but in Linux, everything starts from single root directory called slash. Everything is organized inside this root directory. Think it is like a tree structure. Now we will explore the root directory. It contains everything like bin, dev, home, temp, user, var, mnt or mount, root. First one, bin directory. It contains the essential system commands. Like we can see zsh, ls, cat, rm, clear. Next one is sbin directory. It is also similar like bin directory. It also contains some extra commands which are executed by root user only, like add group, add user. I'll show you one example. Now I will create a one user, user one. Now I will use add user command to create a user one. So here I am using super user. So I'll give password, create a password for user one, retype the password. So full name I will give user one, room number empty, work phone empty, home phone empty, other empty. Then is information correct? Yes. Like that we can create the users by using super user only. Next one is home directory, where normal users store their files. We can see the users cybervault and user one are present. These users store their files in this directory only. Next, etc directory, which contains configuration files. We can see DHCP configuration file, IPsec configuration files, like all kind of configuration files which are required to Linux are present here only. Next one is root directory. This is a home directory for the root users. Normal user can't access it. To access, we need to become root. So we can see now we become the root. Now we can access the root directory. Next, where variable directory, which stores the logs and variable data, and also backup logs, cache, and temporary files also. Next one is MNT or media. These are the temporarily mount points for removable USB drives. And dev. This is the device files which represents the physical devices. Lib or library directory. In this directory, All types of library files are stored. Next, boot directory, which contains the boot files which are required to boot the your Linux machine. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.